Guys, welcome to tutorial 2 of the Vecms series. This tutorial uses demo data. They are not real data from customers. Today's topic is understanding user roles. And my objective today is to explain the system permissions. In this tutorial, I will explain the different user roles in Vecms and what each role can access. In introduction, I introduced the admin platform, and I was able to show you what admin can access in the admin portal. So if you haven't watched the introduction, please try and watch it. So this interface that you see is the doctor portal. You can see here there's a doctor here, Dr. KA. This is the doctor portal. The eye doctor handles examinations and prescriptions. So let's check. The doctor can search for patients. The doctor can schedule appointment. It can do examination, and it can write prescriptions. So let's see. Doctor can handle examination by doing the visual acuity, refraction, IOP, ocular text, color vision, additional tests, and then AI notes. The visual acuity will have the SNES acuity, and then we'll have the Longman acuity. So for the ocular test, the doctor can have external eye examination, internal eye examination, that's the fundoscopy, ocular mobility, pupillary examination, confrontation visual field. And then the additional text, doctor can have aided visual acuity by aided vision acuity test. That's the unaided without glasses, the aided with current glasses, pinhole acuity test. And then for near vision test, doctor can have near vision test. That's the near vision unaided, near vision with add power. And then the visual field check. The doctor can do confrontation visual field test, then the Amstar grade test, and then the color vision. The doctor can do the color vision test, the Ishihara test. And then the AI note. After you have done all your examination, you can copy the clinical summary and then paste in the Open DSGPT. And then it will give you the summary and suggestions and treatment, whatever you want to do. And then after that, you put in your diagnosis, your treatment, your recommendations. Okay, so let me take you to the receptionist portal or the secretary portal. So this interface is the receptionist portal here. That's the staff. Is the front desk staff can register patients. Can manage appointments. When it comes to the billing side, it can process payments, do inventory, add products, analytics, write expenses, and then fill in e-commerce orders. Okay, so let's quickly see the patient portal. Each patient that comes to your clinic, you can generate portal for the patient. So let me open the patient portal for you to see. This is the patient portal. So you can see from here, JM patient. So the patient can book appointment from his portal, can view his bill, and can upload any report to the portal, and the doctor will have access to it. So this application is a role-based access, and it ensures security and protect sensitive data. In the next tutorial, I will walk through the first time clinic setup. Thank you.